Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Download Android Studio from the official site and run the installer on your machine. During installation, include the Android SDK build tools, and a 64-bit JDK. Accept default SDK paths or choose a custom folder if desired for organization. Allocate at least 8 GB RAM and 10 GB free disk space for SDKs and emulators to avoid build slowdowns. Install an emulator image, such as Pixel with API 30. For testing, open Android Studio and choose Create New Project to start a fresh app. Pick an activity template like Empty Activity to get a basic layout and lifecycle methods. Name your application, set the package, and choose a minimum SDK such as API 21 for broad compatibility. Configure Kotlin or Java as the language and confirm the project location. Let Gradle sync complete to download dependencies and build tools before running your app on a device or emulator. Connect a physical device with USB debugging enabled or start an emulator image to run your app. Choose a Run configuration in the toolbar, then click Run to install and launch the app on the selected target. Open Logcat to inspect logs and errors, and set breakpoints to step through code during a debug session. Use build, then build bundle APK to generate an APK or app bundle for distribution, and test the signed artifact before publishing to production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.